Hey, what is going on, guys? Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less. Here is something that I take on every moto adventure trip because it just comes in handy so often, and it's so nice and it's great. Everybody carries it that's in our group, and you might want to think about carrying some of this stuff whenever you go on your moto trips. What am I talking about? ParaCord. 550 ParaCord, 550 pounds brake strength. This thing is awesome. The military uses it. We like to use it for all sorts of stuff, from drying our clothes, creating a hanger, all the way from if you had to basically tow a bike, okay? You can also use this stuff to basically tote your food up into the tree if you're in bear country, like say Colorado and some of those areas, if you actually get out there and do that. Stuff is great, man. It really does. It works fantastic. Anyway, ParaCord, you might want to think about putting this in your bag. This is 100 feet. It's all braided up. My buddy Billy J at Story Moto did that for me. I'm not real good at braiding, so he did it for me. But yeah, ParaCord, think about it. It's cheap, it works great, and it comes in handy. I cannot tell you how many times that we use it. It's fantastic. 550 ParaCord, think about it, put it in your gear. If you want some, it's down in the description. And if you use something other than ParaCord, let us know. Put it in the comments, tell us all about it. Anyway, ParaCord, think about putting it in your gear. We appreciate you. Guess what? Your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a fantastic day.